Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to show you how to protect the cowls on your JK Wrangler. If you've damaged the cowls on your Jeep JK Wrangler by allowing your door to swing out a little bit too far, today we're going to be fixing that with a set of Rampage cowl covers onto our 2008 Jeep Wrangler. These Rampage cowl covers are crafted from a UV-resistant Tri-Flex ABS thermoplastic in a durable matte black finish. It includes both the left and right sides, as well as the American flag decals to go on each side accordingly. It has automotive-grade 3M adhesive on the back, and it fits all 2007 to 2018 Jeep JK Wranglers. With that being said, let's get them installed. We're going to start this installation on the driver's side of the vehicle. As you notice, our cowl is already cleaned up. This is the spot where your door mirror would hit it if you forget to put that limiting strap on. This is a great way to cover that up. We're going to start by setting this up into place, pull the 3M tape off, and get started. We're going to use the included alcohol swab to get this all cleaned up where it will stick on. Just go around the edge, give it a nice clean. Just allow the 3M tape to get a good adhesion to it. After you have it all cleaned up, let it sit for a few minutes, that way it gets dry, and then we can put on our cowl cover. Make sure you grab the driver's side panel. If you mock it up into place, you can see that it fits correctly. Turn it around, and I actually got these started with a little razor blade. Pull the backing of the 3M tape off on each side. Now you're ready to put it on. Now that the alcohol is fully dried, you have a nice clean surface to attach this to. Go ahead and mock it up into place, making sure the gaps are even on both sides. Set it on and press firmly around all the edges. Once it's on there like that, we can now install the American flag decal. Go ahead and grab the left-hand side sticker, and you're going to want to make sure it's in this orientation. It'll look like the flag is actually flowing with your Jeep with the stars on the left side. Go ahead and pull the backing off, and then we can get it installed. Now you can really put this anywhere you'd like. I'm going to put it about there. I'm going to use a squeegee here. You can use a credit card or your hand. It's just going to make sure it sticks on there nice and flat. Now you can peel it off. Make sure to do this nice and slow, that way you leave the decal on there. After you have it off, complete the exact same process on the other side, and your installation is complete. We just finished up the installation of these Rampage cowl covers on our 2008 Jeep Wrangler. These look really awesome. It's a two-tone finish. The underside is a matte black with a gloss black on the outside. It takes about 5 minutes to get them both installed, and it's going to cover up any damage underneath there and prevent any further damage. Now you can find these as well as many other great parts for your JK right here at cjponyparts.com.